Hello, I'm Jeremy Nelson, and I'm a software developer on the Sinopia team, and this is the demo for Sprint 16. So I'm going to stop my video, and I'm going to share my screen here. So for this sprint, we were really working towards meeting milestone 3, which is basically allowing the cohort members or users to upload and store resource templates that are contained in profiles that they've developed using the profile editor. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to run locally off a master and kind of show you where we've progressed at getting to that point of actually being able to save to the back end and our Sinopia stack. So first off, just to confirm, I'm on the local head for master, and I am. And then my other window here, I'm in the Sinopia server, and I'm just going to bring up Docker Compose that brings up Trellis and Postgres and Elasticsearch and the other components that we have, and the indexing pipeline in the server. So now I'm going to go back here, and I'm just going to make sure that I have everything installed correctly. So that way, so as this server is coming online, you can see there's a nice Trellis display in the bottom there. And so it looks like we're good. So now I'm going to run it in development mode. And as you'll see here, it's being hosted on localhost 8888. So I'm going to go back here to my web browser, and then I'm going to load the editor, and there we see our home page. And here is sort of a workaround we've had to go through to set up to run locally, and you still use the Cognito service. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here. And I've already done this. So now I've signed in. Now you'll notice it's redirected me to the Sinopia.io. But what I have to do is a little bit of configuration setup that this will, when a current work in progress PR is merged, you won't have to do what I'm showing you right now. But anyway, so I'm just going to paste that into my editor. And so there's a couple of access tokens and ID tokens. And I'm going to go now to my code editor, and in the configuration, I want to delete this, and I'm going to replace it with my latest. Let's see, I didn't delete it all. Come on, there we go. So I'm going to return, and so that's the 2 tokens for that, and then I need to do the same thing for the AWS access token here. I thought it was the, here, let me, before I continue and not waste people's time, I'm going to go ahead and check that out. Check out source config, come back here, delete 47, and then I'll delete 50 and extract those from my saved URL. So first return here, and then I'm actually going to grab just the ID token, come back here and return this, save this. Now back to my browser. I'm going to replace this with pointing back to my local host on port 8888. And I should remember to make sure I'm running it. There we go. So refresh. Go to the link data editor, and here's what we've been working on. So this is now connecting to my Trellis. You can see I've loaded up a number of different resource templates. If I select into one of these, you actually can go into it and load it up into the editor. So that's really cool. I can go ahead and import. So these are coming from the Sinopia sample servers in our version 0.1.0. So I select one of these, maybe sound recording analog, open it up, and it gets, you can see here these messages where it's loading it up into my backend trellis. And then, I can then select any of these. So a couple of neat features as well is you can sort of sort what's currently loaded here, and then, for example, you can load it up in them. So this is really the core, what we're trying to deliver for milestone 3, and stay tuned for more changes as we progress and the team works on milestone 4. Thank you very much.